We decided to redesign the Livestrong app, and instead of the original homepage, which was rather busy, containing not only the calorie bar but also the 6 different buttons down here that showed your different meal trackers, we decided to put the buttons on a different page and put 2 different bars on this page, one for calorie tracking and one for water tracking. Now we added water because hydration and consumption of water is equally as important to healthy weight loss. To help increase the viewer's emotional connection with the application, we've added an avatar here and also tiny little avatars that walk along the bar as it fills up throughout the day. The avatar here, it will resemble every user, and also if you click on it, it has your goal weight and your current weight, and then your goal BMI and your current BMI. And as you are reaching your goal or getting further away from it, so too the avatar either gains or loses weight, so that you can emotionally connect with the progress that you're making over the long term. Now, as this bar, the calorie bar, fills up throughout the day, it starts out green, but as you continue to eat more, it starts to turn yellow and then orange and finally red when you should stop. So, again, the emotional connection to the colors, it kind of corresponds with something like traffic lights, where you know you can eat more, you know you have to stop when it turns red. And then finally, here we've added the different buttons to get to the different pages. This is the home page, as you can see in the up left corner here. We've got links to the home page, the meal tracker, progress, tips, and settings. And now we're going to take you to the meal tracker page.
So the meal tracker page is based off of what used to be the bottom half of the home page, which is the 6 buttons that keep track of how many calories you've specifically had for different meals and how many you've negated through exercise, and also the cups of water you've had. And underneath that, we have a list that itemizes each entry in each meal. And if you click on any of these buttons, it jumps down to the specific one that you want to look at. And each of these has a calorie total and a grade for that meal. Next to which is a direct link to the tip page, which can tell you how you could have made that meal more balanced or give you an example. And then we continue to have the avatar in the corner to help you identify what this page is as depicting your meals and put it in context of your long-term goals. And we continue to use the color scheme of green, in this case blue, and red, to associate your emotions with whether it's a good meal or a bad meal. And now we will go to the long-term calorie tracking page.
So we've also decided to change some things about the long-term trend graphs for calorie consumption. So the first thing you'll notice is that you can actually see the goal for your daily calorie limit on the top of the page. And based on whether you've either exceeded or not reached that limit, the graphs on the page will be different colors. So for April 28th, you can see that since you came under the 1,100 calorie limit, the graph or the bar is actually blue, whereas for April 29th, since you consumed over 1,250 calories, the bar is actually red. And this is just to associate more different emotions with whether you're actually keeping track with your goals or not. In addition, we wanted to really associate more positive emotions with your exercise habits. So we decided to actually show the impact your exercise has on your calorie limits by using black bars. And these black bars signify the sort of negative calories you've gained through exercise. So you'll be able to actually see the impact of your exercise on your daily calorie limits. And in addition, we decided to add another person on top of today's bar, and based on whether you're reaching your calorie limit or under it, he'll be either happy or sad, and on days where you've exercised a lot, he might even be holding dumbbells just to positively reinforce your exercise habits. And of course, in the corner, we have the avatar as a constant across all 3 pages.